So I just finished my recent projects of putting some mattress protectors in some large storage bags and stuff, as you could see here. And it was a chore, but I had to get this done to save up some space and stuff in my storage area. And I chose this brand, Jumbo Bags, to use. What I like about it, each bag, storage bag, as you can see here, came in a special plastic bag sort of thing, actually sealed, and it has one of these things. I don't know what you call them, but these were in each bag. Those little things are very, very helpful. Initially I would try to seal the bags at the top with my hands and stuff, but using that, it's very, very helpful. Let me show you the box they came in. So they're all like that, and each bag is in a special little seal like this, and each packaging has one of these things in it. And again, I find those are very, very helpful to like seal the top here, this area here, before actually pumping out the excess air. So those little clips are very helpful and easy to make. Sealing this part here, very, very helpful and easy, so all my bags are nicely stored here, just to put in the storage area. This is the pump that comes in the set, and I like to use it. I like it. It's easy. In comparison to the other ones the other ones with electrical pumps, I prefer these. So I could always use this with another different type of storage bags that may have the same type of pump. So I could always use those. I don't really have to worry about anything, going bad, or have to use electricity and that sort of thing, because where I'm going to put these now is in a storage container. I don't really have electricity in that storage container. So with the other type of storage bags with the electrical pump, that wouldn't apply for me, so I can always do some more packaging in my storage container with these type of pumps. So I need to put these away, and my project is over for now.